Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another free card kit of the month video. In order to receive this free card kit in your mailbox, just use the host code the next time you shop in my Canadian online store. The link is below. So this is the card kit that you will be receiving this month. I do place the month on the envelope now so you don't get lost, and how to find this how-to video. So you have two options, two color options, and two envelopes and some embellishments. Make sure you look for them. They're not in the little disc thing. They're in a little plastic baggie. And here is the Pattern Party Designer Series paper. It's my favorite right now. It's my go-to. It's a host gift. And what you're going to do is adhere that to the basic white card there. And this is the Granny Apple Green strip. And I will show you another easier way of doing this. Just put adhesive on it and then place it to the Designer Series paper and then put it to the white basic white card. But this is I did the hard way the first time, and this is the proper way that you should do it, by taking that piece of Designer Series paper, adhering the Granny Apple Green strip, and then trimming off the excess before you attach it to the basic white paper. And you want to leave just a very slim border around that. And we are going to stamp now before we adhere it to our card bases. I am featuring the Inspired Thoughts stamp set. I love the whimsy of the font. It is very nice, and this says thank you so much. I make by far more thank you cards than anything. I do 30 thank you cards, birthday cards, and all the rest fall to the miscellaneous pile, really. So you're just going to attach your basic white card front to your two colorways. This is Misty Moonlight, and the other is Crushed Curry. We haven't used Crushed Curry in a while. And then we're going to get busy with the randomness of the embellishments. So first thing, we have to really burnish down our crease line here just to make sure the card is lying flat. And then in your kit, you're going to find a little bit of, these are actually retired. They are ice cream corner sprinkles. So as of July 1st, you can't get them anymore. And we do have something similar in the catalog. So if you really like these, we do have hearts and stars, I think, and circles. So very, very similar, and similar in color. These are kind of like fun foam almost. So what I like to do is sprinkle them on the card first, and then I just rearrange just a tiny, tiny bit to make sure it works for me. And then I'm going to bring out my multi-purpose glue. And what I do is I put a very small dot right next to each little embellishment. And then I'm going in with my take your pick tool, and I will be using the putty side, but I take the pointy side out of the top, and I use it like stamp surgery. So I pick up the embellishment, I place it on the adhesive, and then I hold it down with my pointy part, so that I don't, because sometimes, you know, that putty is sticky, so it might stick to the embellishment and it's hard time placing it down. So at least this way I know it's firmly attached. And yeah, that's what I do. It's like I'm doing chopsticks almost. So you can see all the supplies I used today listed in the videos see more section, or in the supplies section of my blog. The links will take you to my Canadian online store. So that's the card for you for this month, the free card kit. I appreciate you watching, and I'll say bye for now.